Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs. Tobogganing. Kids and adults of all ages will enjoy the incredible experience of tobogganing. You can rest assured you can enjoy this activity safely and have a great time. Toboggans are available to pre-book before your arrival. This is highly recommended during busy periods throughout the season. There is a toboggan park in the Mount Buller village next to the clock tower. This super fun park with a view features a shorter tobogganing run, great for little ones. It's convenient for guests staying in the village and a short walk to a range of dining venues and shops in the village square. Tobogganing is included free with a valid lift pass. Head directly to the park and present your valid lift pass. The village toboggan slope is the place for family fun each snow season and is one of the first cams to catch the dawn light. To improve the experience for tobogganers of all ages, our capacity-managed toboggan parks are dedicated slopes for sliding and fun.
Ang init, oh my God. Mias, use your heels! Use your heels!
Please like, share, and subscribe.
If you leave, can you go back? If you leave, can you go back?
Daddy, you know, Daddy is not like this. He's not cool. I'm cool, Mom.
That sounds very weird.
Yes, Daddy,
Say it again, Mommy. You're a what?
I'm a cool
Toboggan
mom.
tips. Be sure to sit or kneel on the toboggan, never head first or standing up. Make sure the path is clear, and if you fall off the toboggan, quickly move out the way. The same goes for when you have finished your run. Quickly move out the way and walk back up on the sides of the run, not up the slope itself. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia vlogs. Please do watch our other Mount Buller series. Before you go, being an unpredictable alpine climate here are a few things to bring and check before leaving home. 1. Check the wheel chain declaration. Carry wheel chains and fit them as instructed. 2. Purchase your gate entry, all resort season pass online, or in person at Miramba Resort Entry. 3. Waterproof clothing, jacket and pants, gloves and hats. For sunscreen, the snow reflects strong UV rays. 5. Waterproof and warm boots. 6. Change of clothes for the kids and a plastic bag to put the wet snow clothes in. 7. Camera or smartphone to snap those happy memories. 8. Antifreeze and alpine diesel.
1, 2, 3. Okay, go!
Gentlemen à, sambil khóa 40 ya. 40 Jer,
Itu, Fori. Itu,
mana?
itu. Ini.
Oh ya ya ya. Mana siap?
Oh, siap. Oh, itu.
Snowshoeing, if you can walk, you can snowshoe. It's easy to learn, like walking with a quick rhythmic pace. Nothing is quite as special as snowshoeing through an alpine forest in the snow. Why not watch the sun go down from the MT Buller summit or explore the tranquil trails at MT Sterling? Suitable for all ages and a great way to enjoy the snow. You can hire your gear or book a guided tour. Have you had the chance to visit Melbourne, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching.